guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little different of a video, and I'm going to be filming a plan with me for 2022. So I just came back from Michael's and I got a new planner. This is the Happy Planner 12-month planner in the dashboard layout. So I thought I would do a little plan with me and kind of like my goals for 2022 and kind of like the big things that I'm planning for this year. I do love organization and planning. If you know me, I've always loved planners. I think it's something that I got from my mom because she loves to plan. So we just got back from Michael's and we got a 2022 planner, and I'm so excited to be filming this video and kind of showing you how I customize my planner. And if you like organization, then this video is just right up your alley. And I love like different like stationery and organizational things. So this planner is going to be used for planning all of my budgeting, working out, meal planning, my big goal. So I'm in the works for buying a condo. So just planning out all of how much I'm gonna have to save monthly and breaking it down and breaking down like, you know, what I need to buy in order to move into my condo. So this is my second Happy Planner that I've got. So this is my first Happy Planner, and I'm actually using the backwards side of it. But this is my first Happy Planner that I bought for 2020 to 2021, and I loved it for planning and like planning my YouTube content and that kind of stuff. So, and what's great about the Happy Planner is that you can take out pages and add them in and move things around, because all you have to do is go like that and you can put pages back in and out and all that kind of stuff. So that is what I use as a Happy Planner. The reason why I like it is because they're so customizable and you can move things around, change them, add different rings if you want. Like this one came with clear and gold speckle, which I actually really like, so I won't be changing them, but I could easily swap them out for like black or different colors, whatever you like. So this one is, it's called Follow the Stars, which if you know me, I'm a very spiritual person. So I'm just gonna open this up here. But yeah, I like how it's like navy, and some of the Happy Planners I find can be a little tacky if you use like all the stickers and that kind of stuff. But I like this one because it's very plain Jane, which is what I like. And I might even use like the back side of this, so change this around and use like more of like the beige neutral side. So yeah, so that's kind of what it is like. So I'm just gonna unbox it here, just slip off this clear thing. And yeah, so now that I have it open, I'm just gonna put this back on. I am going to show you kind of what it looks like and the layout, and then I'm gonna start filling it in with like important dates and things like that. And obviously I'll be planning more as time goes on, trinkets and different pens and what I like to use for it. But yeah, this is what the cover looks like. I think it's super cute, super pretty. So here is a close-up of my planner. So it says Follow the Stars, which don't love, but I do love manifestation, so whatever. So it basically just says welcome to your Happy Planner dashboard layout. I'm gonna take that part out, and then this is where you write your name, and my zodiac sign is a Libra. There you go. Flip it over, and then you have kind of like a nice layout of 2022, all the months, and then you even have 2023, which is nice for me because then I can put in my important dates for the following year, because kind of the big things that are happening in my life are I'm buying a condo, hopefully my paperwork will be done in the next week or so, and I'll be moving in 2023, but most of the year I'm going to be saving and putting money towards down payment and furniture and all that kind of stuff in the next year going into 2023. So that's kind of good there. And then I'm going to use this section for birthdays. That's what I did last year, and it worked out very, very well. So then I don't forget anybody's birthday. You can also put in like important dates or whatever you want there. So then it goes to like the monthly kind of plan. So up here it says January 2022, and then it says priorities and goals, important dates, and then kind of like a free page that you can put different things. And then it goes practical, responsible, caring, ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline. Anyway, it just gives like a bunch of like, I don't know, astrological different things. And then this is what I particularly like. It's like the monthly spread of, you know, what's going on. So I use this a lot. In the past, I used this a lot for like planning out in advance. So like I'd put like all the different YouTube videos that I'd want to film, or like when I wanted to edit, upload, film, all that kind of stuff. And then like my sporting schedules and that kind of thing, anything important. So that's kind of the same in all different happy planners. And then in this one, this is why I wanted this one. This is the, I forget what this is called. This is the dashboard layout. So you have like errands, so different things you want to accomplish, get it done, calls and emails, and then noted, and then things to focus on, which is really important for me because I like to separate different things into like where it's important for me. And then you go into this, and then this is where you would put like each day what you want to do. So that is great for me. And then even up here, like you could, you know, if you were like a YouTuber like me, or you know, had a side hustle, or you did something else, you could use that up there for something up there. So that part is nice as well. So yeah, you just keep going like this, and January, and then next you would go to February. And what I also like about the Happy Planner is you can add different things into it. So it's by Happy Planner. So it's a weekly meal plan sheet. Because I love to go to the grocery store, but I also like to have a plan. So what you can do is, you know, let's say for the first week in January, we'll go back here. So let's say for this week, I already did go grocery shopping this morning, but let's say I wanted to go grocery shopping. So I'd write down meals for the week, so I could do like breakfast, lunch, dinner, what my plan was. And then on the flip side, it does grocery lists. So you can plan what you want to do for groceries. And then you can keep it from week to week to see, okay, well, I had this last week, maybe I want this again, and that kind of thing. So that's what's nice. And then let's say you didn't want that in there anymore, well, you just take it out. So there's lots of different inserts and different things like that for the Happy Planners, which is what I like, and it's very customizable. So if you wanted to use, you know, different sheets for budgeting, or you want to use it for working out, or you know, whatever. I got just like the regular Happy Planner, but I was at Michael's today and I saw that you could actually get a Happy Planner for budgeting. My mom got the one for budgeting, and then you could get one for health, and then there was another one, school, I think there was another one. So there's a bunch of different ones that you could do. And what I also like about the Happy Planner is the paper is pretty thick, so like it won't bleed through as with like traditional planners. So what I like to do is I have these midliner pens. I have this pretty purple color, this new blue one, this is what I got today, this teal color, kind of color, and then I have this light blue color, I have gray, and then I have lots of like stickers and that kind of stuff. But I'm gonna try to keep this planner pretty words focused and not add a lot of stickers, and like I have like all this tape and all this kind of stuff that I used in my previous ones, but I want to keep this one pretty neutral. So that is what this planner looks like. So I probably should plan out the rest of the week because I do work the next 3 days of the week. So yeah, I want to do that. And then I'm also going to be doing YouTube content. So I'm super excited for my YouTube channel in the month of January 2022. I can't believe I've been at YouTube now for a full year. I've uploaded like over 60 videos, so I'm super excited. But if you really like the planning content / planner content, let me know. I know a lot of like my organization, like cleaning content does very well on YouTube. So let me know if this is kind of up your alley and I can film more stuff. Like I can do weekly plans. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please comment down below, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.